Hey everyone, let's talk about using threads to promote your event like a pro. Whether it's a webinar, meetup, or launch party, threads makes it easy to get the word out and drive excitement. Here's how to do it in a few simple steps. First, start with a catchy announcement. Your first post is the hook. Share the event details, what, when, and why people should care. Make it clear and exciting. For example, right here, let me cancel this. Right, let's say for example, right here, alarm. I'm gonna use alarm right here, and then what I'm gonna start typing right here on my post. Big news, right? We're hosting a live Q&A session with top creators this Friday at 7 p.m. Mark your calendar. Not this. So you don't want to miss it. Okay, and then add a hashtag, threads event. Sorry for that. Event. Or yeah, threads event. Okay. And next, use engaging visuals. If you want to pair your post with the eye-catching images or graphic or short videos, you can go ahead and click the album right here at the bottom and allow access to the camera and add your photo, right? A simpler flyer or teaser video can grab attention and make your event feel professional, right? Next, build a thread about or around the event. You can use the button add to thread right here to share updates leading up to the event. For example, post 1 announce the event, right? Announce the event right here. Post 2, let me close this. Announce the event. Post 2, say highlight the speakers or agenda. Click add the thread again. And lastly, share a countdown or behind the scene a sneak peek. Right? And this keeps your audience engaged and reminds them to show up. Okay? Next, encourage interaction. Invite your audience to get involved. Ask them to RSVP. Share their expectations or post questions they want answered during the event. For example, you could go ahead and type right here, what topics should we cover during the workshop, webinar, whatever that might be, and drop your ideas below. Okay, I'm gonna use the finger. Okay, next, use hashtags and tags. Create a unique hashtag for your event to centralize the conversation. Tag relevant collaborators, speakers, or influencers to expand your reach. For instance, get ready, right? Add the thread right here. Type get ready right, for Level Up 2024 with add the people who will engage in the webinar or workshop, and then type complimentary comment, like it's going to be lit, right? And post reminders and live updates as the event approach, right? Make sure that you post countdowns, reminders, and any last minute updates, right, during event, or share live snippets or quotes to create FOMO for those who aren't there. You can go ahead and type your or repost or quote your event, right, and hit quote right here and tell them that, you know, last chance, couple hours, or last chance, in a few days the tickets will be off the website, right? And that creates a FOMO for the creators, for the customers or the followers. You can also pin your event, right, to your profile. Click the three dots next to the event announcement and then hit pin to profile, and you're going to be able to see the event pinned to your thread, right? And anyone who can see your profile will see the pinned announcement, right? And follow up after the event. Once the event is over, thank your audience for and share a recap, include highlights, key takeaways, or even recording if available. For example, after the event, after you're done with the event, you can type thanks to everyone who joined our workshop, right, or webinar. Missed it? Watch replay here, and add your link, and then type and add a question for feedback. Let us know your favorite part. Okay, and that's it. With these steps, you can turn your thread into your go-to event promotion tool. Got an event coming up? Share it in the comments and let's help each other grow. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.